Good morning, everyone. I'm here with my colleague, Dr. Eddie Lee, to talk a little bit about some of the themes that we're seeing here at the show. The presenter before us actually was a good example of what we call bridging the gap. She was bridging the gap between old-style microphones and new technologies with the iPhones. We're here to talk to you about bridging the gap to digital writing. My name is Stephen Dix. I'm responsible for sales and marketing here in the United States for NeoLab, and Dr. Eddie Lee, who is one of our co-founders, based in Sydney, Australia. The gap really started a long time ago. For those as old as I will recognize the Motorola brick. Many of you here probably won't, but the next slide really shows that digital evolution that's happened in the electronics business, going back to the mid-'80s with the first cell phone that everybody was very excited about, making them all smaller, 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 and now, 2015, we're going larger, larger, larger. So it's really been the evolution you've seen there. Bridging the gap of what we do is between what people do on a daily basis, which is writing, using a pen and paper, and then processing that document, processing those notes, and having a much greater life of those through integrating with your smart device, phone, and or tablet. And it's really all about enabling paper, and I'll hand it over now to Dr. Lee to discuss about that in a little bit greater detail.
Well, thank you. So we start this project to enable the paper first. So we define the paper as digitizable, recognizable, and functionable. So I'm gonna show what's the meaning of it. So making digitizable software is like we print the code on paper. It has informations like this, so it captures your notes while you're writing on paper. I'll show you the video of. So. It's not playing. Has to play. Well, it's going back. Yeah. Sorry about that. So as you can see, this is a paper. The artist, illustrator, working on paper, and it goes on the fly to the digital device, and it renders exactly the same quality. There you go, it's still there. So, yep. Well, anyway, yep. Yeah, what is going on? And the recognizable surface. It means you can make your paper as for handwriting recognition, and you can define certain area for signature, or you can put letter button and check boxes. What it does is it's everything you need for form processing. As you can see here, we can define certain area, and you write on top of it. Everything is digitized on the fly. And also, the beauty is, when you write in cursive writing, it is all digital text. So it's converted to digital form. The functionable. This is really the cool feature, I think. We put the paper, we say it's a paper UI, and we can have some kind of functions like calendar, send to, or alarm and tag on your paper. So this is one example of that. When you see the tick on the top, it's an icon for sending email. So when you tick it on top of the paper, it triggers email client on your smartphone, and it's ready to send. So it's all about the pen. So we made a pen. This comes in 2 colors. We made a pen that it captures your notes and has to be very stationary thing, right? We're not talking about the scientific thing. So these are the pens, very sleek, small design. It's one of the prettiest thing in your desk, I believe. show you this. Would it click? No, okay. That's okay. So these are the pens. It's available on Amazon right now in the US. So it has a companion apps for Android and iOS. It's all about your notes, managing, share, and sync. So you have 2 copies. So one in your phone to ready to go online, and one in your notebook to carry on. And you have a lot of things. Once it gets digitized, you have a lot of cool features with your app. You can transcribe your note, and you can do voice recording with that. And you can replay it, of course. And you can tag it to manage. And you can share, and it's ready to go online. And also, you can edit what you have written on the paper. Not to mention that it's with the Evernote Sync, and you have a Google Drive to spec up your notes and send it everywhere. Yeah, well, thank you for listening, because I have about 5 minutes, so thank you for listening. Please come to visit booth 1213 till you see the RIPE demo, and enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you.